All right, we're making egg drop soup here. You want the better than bouillon chicken? We got a saucepan here with probably 4 or 6 cups of water in there. Don't have to be picky, because what we're going to do now, we're going to put 2 big dollops of that in there, or maybe 1 of those big dollops, and we're going to stir that up. And once that bouillon's broken up in there, we're going to taste it. And if it's the taste that you want, quit adding more. If it's too thin, add some more to it. It's that simple. So take a taste of that, Kristen. See if it's where you want it.
Where am I? Put it all yet. Nope, too weak.
Too weak? All right, add more. You can always add more. And if you got it too strong, you can add more water to it. All right, have a taste.
Yep.
Just right?
Oh, that's good.
Okay. Now, we've cracked 2 eggs in this measuring cup. When you beat the eggs, you only do it loosely.
With that.
So that's it. Just enough to break up the yolks. So we're going to bring this water to a boil, and when it just starts to perk and boil, turn the heat off. Take it off the heat, and if you like, you got a little green onion, throw that in there. Chrissy likes a green onion. Throw that in. Now take your whisk and whirlpool the broth. Get it going real good. Now slowly pour in your hands hiding everything. Slowly pour in the egg from the outside.
Do I move my whisk?
You take your whisk out. Do not whisk while you're pouring your egg in, or you'll end up with tiny little pieces and more like gravy than egg drop soup. And that, my friends, is how you make egg drop soup. It is done. Let it cook about another minute. You're ready to serve. Bon appetit.